spreading round. United Texas town. About to shack outside the game. You know what I'm talking about. Just let me know if you wanna go to that home out on the range. They got a lot of nice girls.
One of the things I noticed, you did a counter of it, I believe a tire store,
Yeah.
the front counter of a tire store. Tell us a little bit about that and how that came about and what was the concept and the theme. What was the theme of the actual mural itself?
This was a privately owned tire business, and this was when you come into the shop, there's a counter there, and they have tires on the walls, you know, for your selection. And to the right is the service area where they do tires, and they did other, you know, service for automobiles also. But it was ugly, really ugly, and very personal for him because first of all, it had to show service and repair. So, and the owner had a big hunkin' Hummer, and so I took his Hummer, and then alongside of it, you know, I painted this guy kind of sliding alongside of it on the
Repair dolly, whatever it's called.
Yeah, the bed that they lay on wheels and
Yes.
slide under the car. So I had this guy fixing it, and then on the shoulder patch I had Conley, and that was his name. Last name was Conley Tires.
In that store at Conley Tire, you were commissioned by Tri-County Cycles to do certain graphics and certain murals in their store.
Yeah.
Tell us about the murals and graphics you did for Tri-County Cycles.
Well, this was a huge motorcycle shop. He just built this, and it was the biggest one in 3 counties. Thus, you have Tri-County Cycles. And he had street bikes, dirt bikes, 4-wheelers, all outdoor vehicles, and recreational vehicles. And he knew what he wanted. He had these big, you know, up above where the bikes were, he had his bikes out. Like street bikes were in one area, dirt bikes were in another area, and up above that were big 10 by 20s, like open panels, you know, like a blank canvas. And he knew what he wanted painted in those. And the first one, he just knew where the street bikes were. He wanted the Easy Rider poster. And I asked
The infamous 1969 poster showing Captain America and his friend riding on their Harleys
Yeah.
through the U.S.
Honda, right? Peter Honda.
No, Peter Fonda.
Honda.
Peter Fonda. You can tell you weren't really ready for that movie at the
Yeah,
time.
this was before my time.
Yeah.
Anyways, regardless, I made the painting look pretty good.
Yeah.
Well, here it's fine if you got the time and the chance to get yourself in. And here it's time almost every night. But now I might be mistaken.
You also painted a mural of a champion motocross acrobat
Yes.
named Ricky Carmichael.
Yeah, he wanted Eric Hart, the shop owner. He wanted that particular mural got put over the dirt bike section where the dirt bikes were, and